with me here is an HP desktop speaker, and what you're going to do is just unbox it. So that's the paper. So this is the HP DHE-6001 speaker with LED, and it's also official license, so it's not a copy, it's the original one. Now here we just unbox. So here there's some papers like the warranty and instructions. Then comes in this form, with this form in the box. Now they are also wrapped, and they just look so premium. So just open it up. Yeah, they look absolutely premium. Awesome. So this also has a place where you can put your earphones, I think. I'm not so sure about that. And that's it. QC passed. And it seems to also have a touch function right there. So let's see whether it's going to be an upgrade for my old speaker. So to connect it, you just untie these ties, the cables, and you get two cables. One is a power source that you can use in your USB port, and then the other one is for the 3.2mm jack. Now here I'm just going to input it. The 3.2mm is there, and that's the USB. Then we go back to the speakers. On. Ooh, and as you can see, they've turned red. Let's see what the touch does. Oh, so the touch just puts the power on and off, like so. Looks interesting. Now let's put some music. So far it is so clear. And the bass is so nice. I think I'm going to enjoy it. And so now, just for the fun of it, we are going to try and see how it plays on our mobile phone. Yeah, so that's it. Let's go to the music. Hey, that's good. I think it's amazing. They are very good speakers. Very amazing speakers. So that's a speaker for you. Time for some B-roll. So after doing the right-left test, the one with a knob, that's your right. Oh, sorry, that's your left. And then the one with the logo only, with the HP logo only, that's your right. So enjoy. These are really amazing speakers.